Why yes, before taking it to the store I did unplug the keys and I did check underneath for any dust, but unfortunately I could not obtain any dust, and thus the butterfly mechanism was fluttering away. I must go to the store to repair it.
I put my Mac on the line.
Babe, I'm here to repair my laptop, not to... What are we doing?
Shopping! Ah!
You love the MacBook Pro 2018, isn't it?
Yes,
the
I
fact
do.
that it's always broken. You love going to the
Gives
Apple
me an
Store.
excuse to go shopping.
Right, my friends, we're back here. We're going back to Apple because, unfortunately, the keyboard is bust up. That's right, the 2018 MacBook Pros. The keyboards aren't so good. Let's go.
I put my Mac on the line. I put my Mac on the line. I put my Mac on the line. The keyboard broke, now it's fine. Cause all I ever wanted to was type on it. It be breaking, now they fixing it.
On your image. And you didn't notice there's a little green dot and a red dot.
Sometimes it works, and sometimes it doesn't.
Well, what I'll do is I'll duck out the back and I'll try cleaning them out and see if that does anything. Alright?
When I select...
What's your, what do you think of the lesson today at Apple?
It's really good. You can duplicate stuff
Rogan is here
and
now.
you can edit stuff.
So for anyone that was
cool.
here, we would love to grab your
And I miss it already.
I'm so sorry.
7 to 10 days. My friends, it's going to be gone for 7 to 10 days. I reckon let's buy one as a replacement for now. I figured why not? Got myself a Mac Mini. My laptop's out of business, so I'm going to have to use my keyboard, my mouse, and see how good this baby flies.
I put my Mac on the line. I put my Mac on the line. All I ever wanted to was type on it. It be breaking, now they fixing it.
Alright, my friends, here it is in person. Boom, 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 boom. They've replaced the Touch ID, the top, and the keyboard. And the best part about it is they didn't actually need to replace the hard drive or the logic board. So, all my stuff is still there. The keyboard does feel fresh as a baby. It's like the first time I touched it. And yeah, no complaints. They did it faster than they said they would do it, so I'm very happy with the service. I gotta say, overall, I'm impressed, and make sure you subscribe for the next uptime it breaks. I'll be letting you know.
Cause all I ever wanted to was type on it. It be breaking, now they fixing it.
So what was the return like?
The return was really pleasant. The guy was really safe. He was like, oh sure, yeah, was there anything wrong with it? I said, no, it's just not fast enough for me. Because I do video editing, and he goes, oh, what will you need for that? Like a MacBook Pro? A Mac Pro? And I said, yeah, maybe. And he was like, oh man, those things...
A
Mac Pro. And he said...
That's old.
And they said those things like 8,000. I was like, yeah, maybe next year. But he was really cool. No issues at all. How was your experience?
So my experience is ongoing, so make sure you hit that subscribe button to find out if it breaks again in the next couple of months. Take care and stay healthy.
No. I put my life on the line.
Whoa.
I break it and they fixing it. I put my life on the line.
Because all I ever wanted to was breaking it.
But then they go and fix it.
And they're fixing it.
Fixing it?
Oh,
what?
they fixed it. Babe, it's not the i9. You can't cook eggs on the MacBook Pro.
But I heard it gets hot and like Turbo Boost makes it go really hot and the fans start powering up. Don't you want scrambled eggs?